Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to hack hill climb. I'm gonna show you how to hack unlimited money. This is for rooted device only. As you can see here, the money is 0. There is no to unlock car. This is for rooted device only. I will show you my version. This is my Android version. This is a lollipop. As you can see. And model number SMJ500G, device Galaxy. Now I check my root, VCBox. Now go to root browser. You must download this app. Go in open, and you will find this. Open shared preps. Now you will find preps. I will research this. Now go down. You find coin. I will see you. This is. You will edit this. Remove and put 999 999 999 like that. Now click here. Click and go back. Go to here, climb. As you can see the money here. Now you can unlock more vehicle. As you can see, I have finished unlock already. Now go to next. This is now unlock this. And now I am finished unlock now. And thank you for watching guys, and please subscribe my channel.